Arizona Senator Jon Kyl is taking some heat for this.
I don't need maternity care. And so requiring that to be in my insurance policy is something that I don't need and will make the policy more expensive.
If I could just interject once with my colleague, I think your mom probably did.
Senator Kyl made the comment during a hearing on health care reform. Today, some Valley moms and dads made it clear they're ticked.
Mothers in this country, are not going to stand by while you continually either charge us more or deny us health coverage or treat maternity care like something like a disease.
Right now, in Arizona and throughout our country, many women are buying and paying for health coverage plans that do not include basic maternity care.
Representative Sinema says as many as 500,000 Arizona women don't have maternity coverage. She says Congress wants the coverage in the health care reform plan.